Well. Hello, everyone. It's Saleh back at it again with another school project. I'm gonna tell you now, I'm not the one to pick my upload schedule. My teachers are, so I have like a video like once in a millennium. I don't have an audience anyways. So today we're doing an animal comparison with an animal from Western Pennsylvania and an animal from Africa, South Africa specifically. So the two animals I picked. So for the Western Pennsylvania animal, I picked a white-tailed deer. Very common to see, in your yard sometimes. And for the South Africa animal, I picked an elephant, specifically an African elephant. So for the white-tailed deer, their common name is a white-tailed deer. Their scientific name is an Odocoileus virginianus. I definitely butchered that, but let's just keep going. The name of males is bucks. The name of females is does. The name of the young is fawns. So their global population status, it is least concern. They have a stable population. Their diploid chromosome count is 70. Their haploid chromosome count is 35. Reproduction, they have sexual reproduction. They usually have seasonal breeding. So for their habitat, they're usually in forests, grasslands, farmland, and wooded areas. Their physical description usually depends on the genetics, but usually brown fur, white underside of the tail. They also have long legs, and the males usually grow antlers. Their social behavior, whether they're alone or in a group, they're usually in small groups. The males are often solitary. What does a white-tailed deer eat? Leaves, grass, acorns, fruits, shrubs. I guess basically anything they can just find outside. What is their consumer type? Their consumer type is herbivore. The major macromolecules in their diet is carbohydrates and some proteins. Moving on to the African elephant. Their scientific name is Loxodonta africana. The name of the males are bulls. The name of females are cows. I guess we're just calling them different animals now, but the name of the young are calves. Their global population status is endangered, so definitely something to look out for. I'm not sure if they'll go fully extinct in my lifetime, but they might in the near future. Their chromosome diploid count is 56. Chromosome count for haploid is 28. The reproductive pattern, they also sexually reproduce. They have long gestation periods, usually about 22 months. Their habitat is savannas, like the deer, also grasslands and forests. For their physical description, you usually find African elephants having a very large body, gray skin, tusks, a trunk, and large ears. So mainly the dominant things that you would see on an elephant. So their social behavior, whether they're alone or in a group, they live in herds led by females. What do African elephants eat? They eat grass, leaves, bark, and fruit. Their consumer type is also herbivore, just like the white-tailed deer. The major macromolecules in their diet, carbohydrates and proteins, but predominantly carbohydrates. So now I'm gonna go a little bit into the macromolecules. So the first macromolecule that I will talk about is carbohydrates. Their building block / monomer is monosaccharides or glucose. The job / function of this macromolecule, it provides energy to the organism, and the elements present is CHO, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The second macromolecule that I chose to talk about is proteins. So the building block / monomer of proteins is amino acids. The function of the macromolecule is growth, muscle repair, and enzymes. The elements present is CHON, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. So now finally for the part that you've all been waiting for, the comparison between these two organisms. One similarity between the animals is both animals are herbivores and they eat plants as their main food source. One difference between the animals is elephants are much larger and live in larger herds, while white-tailed deer are smaller and usually live alone or in smaller groups. So how are their diets or macromolecules different or similar? Both animals eat plant-based diets that are rich in carbohydrates, but elephants eat much larger portions of food to support their very large size. So which animal do I think has a more energy-rich diet? I would say the elephant, just because both eat very energy-rich food. The reason why I say the elephant is because of the larger quantities of food that they eat. That would probably be the only reason why I say that. But honestly, it just comes down to opinion, and both have very energy-rich diets, and both are just beautiful animals in general. Anyway, that'll be it for me. I've had a lot of fun researching these two animals. I love both of these animals, and I think they're just amazing. I would recommend for you to do your own research on them. Because you would be fascinated. Thank you guys for watching. I don't post much on this channel. If you guys do enjoy, whoever is seeing this, just, you know, leave a like, comment, whatever. I hope you enjoy this. This mostly is for school, so I hope I do get a good grade on this. And I hope my teacher enjoys this, honestly, because this does take a long time to edit. Thank you guys again for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you later. I'm not sure the next time I'll be posting again, but I hope I will again, because I enjoy making these videos. I'm gonna be honest. All right, bye now.